Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited for this video and I hope you guys are also excited for this video. And this video is all about how to draw this front profile of this face. This is the very first episode of this series, portrait drawing series. So let's get start this video. We are going to draw side face in this next episode, so let's stay tuned for this next episode and please press this bell icon and subscribe to my channel for my latest videos. So let's get back to this work. We are going to draw this front profile of a face. Okay, I am back with voiceover. First thing, we have to draw a plus sign, but I am drawing a circle because I can draw kind of perfect circle in freehand. But the easiest method of drawing a circle is drawing a plus sign. So draw a plus sign. I am drawing it later, and so first thing we have to draw this circle, then we have to make some measurements what I am doing here, and measure this divide this portion into three parts. Divide this radius into three parts vertically. So both of these radius we get approximately 6 equal parts, and join these two lines. Just copy what I am doing here, you can see, and make a straight line with that square kind of shape. That first line is the hairline and last line is the nose tip, that means lower portion of this nose, and center to this nose line. Measure this portion and extend this portion under this circle. We get this thing and join this using a trapezium kind of shape and rounded these edges. So you can see what is going on. Our face is not perfectly spherical, it has oval kind of shape, and if we take a sphere and cut two little portions from both sides, we get that perfect shape of our face, and add some mass at the lower portion. Then we get this chin line. You can see what is going on throughout this video. Because our face doesn't have any kind of straight lines, so we have to round these things and approximate straight lines, not perfect straight lines. You can see what is going on, and I am showing a picture of Emma Watson. So you can see I am using it in PicsArt, using PicsArt app for making this thing, and I am making this two center lines and this circle and those lines, and marking those lines as hairline, bottom of the nose, eyebrow lines, and ignore my background noise, this is so annoying. I added some measurements like A, B, C and D, and A, B, C is equal portions and D is half of A, and actually D is equal to 1 of our eye. So we can draw 7 eyes vertically and 4 eyes horizontally and join them together using curved lines, so we can get this proper shape of our face, actually front face. Hope you can understand what is going on. Hope you guys like this video, and this video is pretty informative for you. Then please share this with your art lover friend. Please subscribe to my channel and press this bell icon. And thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting my channel. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.